Kidepo Valley National Park is dissected by several dry rivers in both Kidepo and Narus valleys. The Narus Valley in the south is about a quarter of the park, despite hosting the majority of wild animals in Kidepo. Are common sightings traversing along riverbanks in search of fresh grass and water in the wet Narus Valley. Dry rivers in Kidepo offer precious shelter to the Daga boys, while the rest of the herds pitch camp under the shadows of sausage trees. The Borasas palm trees, red thorn acacia, and the iconic sausage trees are delicacies for giants and lofty browsers, and common in this valley. During the dry season, large families of elephants gather at Nagusokopire campsite to enjoy some shelter under these acacia trees. It's a scorching afternoon, and these giants are rushing in to identify suitable spots for their members, especially the young ones. The calves will spend much of the afternoon resting, while the rest of the members feed in open grasslands close enough for their maximum protection. This will enable them regain some energy before embarking on longer journeys in search of water. Kidepo is an expansive valley covering 1,442 square kilometers with a quick and unique impression of its wilderness to the visitors. It was gazetted as a Northern Karamoja controlled hunting area, and in 1962 it was converted into a national park, protecting the African Big Five game that existed during that time. Wild animals are the ultimate tourist attractions anywhere in Uganda's national parks. But in Kidepo Valley, the attractions stretch far beyond the animals.
The hills surrounding Kidepo, very few roads, public roads, very few communities that you'll find in the park. Big herds of buffaloes and elephants. The Narus unique valley. The sunset and sunrise, the way it peaks and comes out. Your eyes can see far in horizons.
In the remote Karamoja sub-region, a habitat to the African big game flightless birds and fastest land mammal, the cheetah. Its lifeline lies at the mercy of two dry rivers gliding through the savannah. A stunning landscape with scenic undulating hills dominating its horizon. This untouched wilderness preserves a unique ambience and an authentic African wildlife experience to its visitors. This is Kidepo Valley National Park, Uganda's depiction of a true African wilderness.